Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ. What's common between these three vehicles, the drivetrain, engines, transmission that they use, it can be found in all of this. We'll be demonstrating on a hybrid, but if you have a non-hybrid version, it will work as well. If you guys have check engine light on and any of the following two codes, such as code P0122 or code P0223, stay with us. We'll explain what two things can cause that and how you can test and find out exactly what's causing the problem. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's go ahead and explain what we have specifically here. We are going to go ahead, open the hood, and that engine guys, it's a hybrid engine, but you can practically even ignore that. If you have a non-hybrid 4-cylinder engine, the procedure will be about the same. Even for non-4-cylinder engines, if you have a V6 on the Lincoln, I think they have some of them V6. If you look at it guys, okay, that device right here is known as a throttle body. The purpose of that throttle body is to let air go inside the intake manifold from there to the cylinders, and that will control how much air the engine is getting and control the idle as well. You have multiple one or two motors right here and multiple plastic gears, and sometimes this can fail, motors can fail, and that can trigger codes. But what I'll recommend to check guys, okay, number one thing, always inspect the wiring harness. Make sure you don't have a wire that's broken or pulled out, because people, when they disconnect them, sometimes they'll grab for the wires. Never do that. We'll grab for the connector only. Number two, make sure that red safety thing is pushed all the way in. If it's not guys, what can happen actually, it cannot be communicating correctly. You can get these codes. In some cases it could be bad throttle body as well, and if you want to see how to test the throttle body, we have the video on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys, how to test throttle body. Another thing, if you guys come inside, if it's not the throttle body, what else it could be? If you come in the food department on your Ford or Lincoln vehicle, right here you have that throttle pedal, right? When you press the throttle pedal, it's going to send guys the signal to the throttle body how much it needs to open and close. If that pedal is disconnected, the wiring harness is disconnected, or it's malfunctioning, that can cause that problem as well. And if you want to see a video how to test it, as I said, we have it on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. You can see how you can test throttle body and throttle pedal as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.